Munini wa Musumbi Unang'uthulilwe Kuma Kivilani ni Mbunge Rigathi Gachagua Kwikwatya Eithiwa Ayikwatya Kikalo Mwanya cha asili cha Usili wa Majudge Atatu Nikiumunenga Uvuukyo na na Kumutunga Utongoini Vala Ukuweta Nzia Inatumiiwe ni Mbunge Yinee Atiia Miao mawakili ma Gachagua ameweta kanape na itumi mbianusi ya kuwetete ya Kotini maiwete kuma mwambiyo nginyamuthia iseso ye yatwaigwa kwa withianu Vala ingi Gachagua kwithiwa Ayikwatya unyuvi wa Munini wa Musumbi Profesa Kindiki ona uono kungamwa makwani aili onthe makethukiwa vamwe Benjamin Mwakayu twambisi
Mbatukanuni cia Koti Kwikwatya olonai munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua kethiwa ivoya muno mbe Koti imwithukisi na kuvyetheka iseso ila yatumikie ni mbunge ya Senate wakana muvitu kumuvetanga kuma ofisini na kele unyuvi vamwe na mivango ya ula Minister Osese wa nthini Profesa Kindiki kwithio kithitu yambe kumbote iweta sionthe Yinee Atiia Miao na katiba kuanana na mawakili ma Gachagua matongo yetu ni senior counsel Paul Mwite mataviti Koti kanavaya ina aki kwa maseneta kumvetanga munini wa president ofisini matamwithukitie itina waku wake thoina kusembwa hospitali wa Karen.
No one decides when to get sick and when not to get sick. Let's be humane. Give him a couple of days.
Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? Nay. The nays have it. We will proceed with the hearing program as had been circulated this afternoon.
Ingi Gachagua weta Senate ki katiba ya ina ngino athanthatu kwithukisia kwanithi atiko yavuthisia Miao na kusembethia Kikalo cia no kana kukuna kula ya kumvetanga kuma ofisini.
I have asked my lawyers and they have told me the motion was not time bound. What is time bound is a select committee that should work for 10 days and then report to plenary. That committee was never constituted, so this matter should have continued and waited for me. I was ready for cross-examination so that I answer those 11 counts one by one, and I'm sure had I been given that opportunity, I would have persuaded the senators otherwise. I was not given that opportunity.
Ingi ikwanithi na ila yembe wa bench ya asili Atatu makwani Gachagua kwisila kwa mawakili make weta iseso ya kumvetanga ofisini mbunge ni agati ya ina utheu na wikeku weta iseso ya wosanywa mawoni ya munenga aki ikwithwa kuhusu wake uyanengano kwa NMV vindani ya iseso theu ingie na makulyo yulwa wikeku wa wasio mwene nthi iseso ni theu na muno kumano na kwithwa ya ungamiwe ni ayumbe Vala ala mana sukumesya muno enukwe.
How do you conduct civic education and take to the voters only one side of the matter, the allegations, before you give the subject of impeachment the opportunity to state? Then you take both the allegations and the answer to the citizens so that they can make an informed decision. You've been told the issues we raised have been overtaken by events. But anything done contrary to the Constitution is a nullity if the court agrees.
The Honorable Professor Abraham Githure Kindiki
ikwanini yake ile ya kulia na unyuvi wa Professor Abraham Kindiki tawa munini mwa wa president vena makulyo mukuli yulwa mitukile na atumikie kumuthuima amwe masomi make Miao mena makulyo yulwa tumanua president bunge ni vindani ya kutukithia kwa isito ya Kindiki President William Ruto nuna atavisi mbunge kwiwa katano kana Kindiki nuna athuimiwe na kutukithwa ni nsama ya kuungamia unyuvani ya IBC ila asomi ameweta thina commissioner ona umwe kwa oyu nyingi meweta wonthe ukunyuwa mwanthani wa munini wa president aileitha mbe memba wa chama cha kiuteti na Kindiki ta minister wa usese wa nthini na memba wa chama ona kimwe ta UDM.
In the foregoing, His Excellency the President has annexed the following documents in relation to his nominee. Confirmation of compliance with Article 137 of the Constitution from the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, confirmation of membership status in a political party from the Office of the Registrar of Political Parties, or RPP. In view of the foregoing, honorable members, and having perused the attached documents, I am satisfied that the candidate meets the requirements under Article 148 as read together with Article 137 of the Constitution to fill the vacancy in the office of the Deputy President.
Na Usili mwaloto vamwena utio kukonya maunungunisyo mama kwani aonde kwa hivindambe sionde ikanenganwa ni Koti wayulu kwi unim.
I ask the Chief Justice Martha Koome to live true to the fidelity of our Constitution, to make sure that this is a country of the rule of law, to allow the court process to take place and ensure that this process is not nugatory.
Vilingwa mauvo kwa Musini wa Ilovi. Nito Benjamin Mwakam.